Say hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. And today I have an unboxing video and I have here an Erin Condren. Oh my gosh. I also have with me today my nearly 3-year-old Jasper. So if we see little hands in frame, that's who that is, huh? Ow. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay.
Ready? Wow. What do we got? Oh, okay, hold on. What do we got? What do you got here? It says enjoy to and from, so there's a sticker. Wait.
Happy.
Nurture your mind with great thoughts. Awesome postcard. Ooh, we have really bad wash off. Sticker. Here we go. You ready? Oh my gosh. So I ordered this over the GoWild weekend. Oh my gosh, you want the sticker? Oh, is that yours?
Yeah.
That one's yours, huh? You cleaned it?
Okay.
That one's good? Okay.
It's flat.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of stuff on the back. So like I said, I ordered this over the GoWild weekend.
Wow, good.
And included in my pack was this sticker sheet. Yeah. We're going to leave those in there though. Show the camera.
My son.
Yeah, you like that one? What's that say? That's your son?
Yeah, it's my sticker.
That one's going to be your sticker. All right, let's set that right here. All right. And then I also received in my package for free this reusable bag. It's a pretty good size bag. Yeah, that's a good size bag, isn't it? Keep it over here. So there's a grocery tote to go in my bag, in my car.
My sticker.
You like that one, huh?
My sticker.
All right, after we get done.
Okay.
Okay. Now postcard. Where'd the other sticker go? There it is. All right. All right. And then I also ordered a copy of the GoWild bullet journal. This was the bullet journal that was part of their GoWild series. And it's the Take Note Classic Blind Notebooks and Dot Grid Notebooks. And this one is a dot grid. And it's got my name on it. Look at, it's got my name on it. It's soft. Feel that cover. It's a soft cover. And it is a dot grid, like I said. That one's really nice. And then the planner. So this is a 2019 planner. And I got a rose gold coil and the night sky in rose gold. Yeah. And I didn't have the date put on there because that way I can reuse the cover, maybe. Yeah, you're being really helpful, aren't you? No? Okay. So the inside of this planner this year, they have, this is like a dry erase board. So you can do like a to-do list. And then there's a sheet of vellum. Careful, don't rip it. And then here we have the whole year. And I did get mine for just 2019, so it's January through December of 2019. And I did do neutral. And so there's what the pages are going to look like. And yeah, love Erin Condren's. Beautiful planners. I am this year using my quilter's planner, and we'll see. I may end up getting a quilter's planner again next year. But the I had a coupon for Erin Condren, and then it was, like I said, GoWild weekend. So
My turn.
your turn. Okay. Oh, do you want one of these? Look at. Oh, look at all the different colors of foil. There's all 3 different colors of foil in there. Oops. What's the next one? Whoa, sticks. Oh my gosh. And even more sticks. Slow down. And appointment sticks. And there's the folder.
Oh.
Don't rip it. There's the folder. Oh my goodness. And then there's the little whoa, perpetual date calendar. Hey. Not okay. Yeah. Calm down, wild boy. My wild child. But there it is. So there is
Oh, my son.
yeah, there is
Dad?
my 2019 Erin Condren Planner, which came today. So yep, the end. That was a quick video, huh? So if you stayed with me through the whole video, thank you very much. Oh, this also came in there too. There's some journaling cards and another one of these like whatever they're called, the perforated spines that you can stick onto whatever you want to stick onto. I know. But if you stayed with me through the whole video, thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. Hit like if you've enjoyed the content of this video, and subscribe. That way you can get notifications every time I post new content. And we'll see you guys back here next time, okay? Hey, Jazz, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. All right, bye, guys. Thanks so much.